What's the meaning of Big Bang? Big Bang. Big Bang.
Big Bang. Big Bang. The Big Bang is a scientific theory that describes the origins of the universe. According to this theory, the universe began as a singularity around 13.8 billion years ago and exploded, rapidly expanding and cooling to form the universe we know today. This event marked the beginning of space and time as we understand it. The evidence for the Big Bang includes the cosmic microwave background radiation, the relative abundances of light elements, and the large-scale structure of the universe. The Big Bang is one of the most widely accepted models of the universe's origins and has been extensively studied and confirmed by observations from telescopes and other astronomical instruments.